Shocking case studies. Quinto Andar. Quinto Andar is a Brazilian startup company established in 2013. It connects apartment owners and tenants through their website and mobile applications. Quinto Andar wanted to optimize its ads for potential tenants, acquire more properties to display on its website, and increase in-store purchases. They created canvas ads, used conversion tracking, custom and lookalike audiences for desktop and mobile newsfeed. They experienced 10 times less time spent creating ads, 5 times lower tenant acquisition cost, 2 times more properties captured month to month with Facebook, and a 30% monthly growth in 6 months. Blem. The Blem brand is part of the family of household products developed by S.C. Johnson. Blem's objective was to increase brand awareness by using Facebook. Together with the media agency PhD Argentina, Blem created a series of photo and video ads aimed at increasing brand awareness for mobile devices. The 4-month campaign resulted in an 11-point increase in ad recall, 8-point increase in brand awareness, and saw 70% of its target audience reached. Innovasport. Innovasport is a leader in the sports retail sector in Mexico. Innovasport ran a campaign on Facebook with the goal of increasing sales in its physical stores by distributing a 30% discount offer. Innovasport ran a Facebook campaign for a single day, from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m. on August 26, 2016, using offers and focusing on mobile devices. They saw a 13% higher redemption rate than Target, a 30% increase in the average purchase made using the offer, and a 28 times return on ad spend during the 10 days following the Facebook offer. Rexona. Unilever's Rexona brand is one of the world's leading deodorants and is synonymous with sports, high-intensity activity, and great results. Rexona wanted to raise awareness and position its new motion sense technology. Running for 1 month, the campaign creative was a mixture of video, GIFs, and cinemagraphs. This gave them a 13-point lift in ad recall, a 7.2-point lift in brand awareness, a 7.1-point lift in message association, and an 11 million person reach, 70% of its target audience. Addermax. Addermax started out in 2009 as a financial app company. Addermax wanted to get more audiences from the U.S. They created ads for desktop and a mobile newsfeed using lookalike audiences to get app installs. They came away with 1 million downloads per day and 135 million players. Antera. Antera is a luxury mall in Polanco, Mexico City. Antera's objective was to raise awareness of its new exhibition, #Umbrella Hall, among 30% of its target audience on Facebook. They chose the brand awareness objective, creating carousel ads and using core targeting, for a 34% increase in foot traffic, 27% more sales, 28% lower cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM, and 41% of their target audience reached. Startup Institute. Startup Institute is a unique post-secondary school dedicated to providing students with the skills to follow their passion and succeed in a number of tech-related fields. The school wanted to raise awareness of its program and encourage people to fill out an application to attend Startup Institute. Startup Institute kicked off its campaign by joining forces with digital marketing agency Social Fulcrum. They got a 51% decrease in cost per lead, a 60% decrease in cost per started application, and an 88% decrease in cost per completed application. Universal Pictures. Universal Pictures is the world's 4th oldest studio. Universal Pictures' main campaign goal was to sell tickets to the theatrical release of The Secret Life of Pets. The campaign ran from June 24th through August 7th, 2016 on both Facebook and Instagram. They reached 25 million people and saw that 37% of ticket sales were generated thanks to Facebook, 62,000 tickets in total. Digital Marketer. Digital Marketer is a marketing education and training company. The company wanted to get more leads while keeping its cost per lead relatively low. To this end, it aimed to drive as much traffic to its marketing-related website content as possible. It created lead ads, prompting people to fill out a form, to learn about its best audience, and reach them more effectively. They had an 80% lower cost per lead than other digital channels, a 60% close rate on leads generated from Facebook, and 90% of all sourced leads and customers came from Facebook. Cirque du Soleil, Paramore. Cirque du Soleil is the largest theatrical producer in the world. Cirque du Soleil wanted to increase awareness for its Paramore show and ultimately increase online ticket sales. Cirque du Soleil partnered with digital agency Situation Interactive to produce and distribute a 6-week campaign to promote ticket sales for the show. It got an 8.8 times return on ad spend from Canvas and a 1.6 times return on ad spend from link sales retargeted to people who interacted with Canvas ads. Anova Culinary. Anova manufactures a line of sous vide cooking devices, which cook vacuum-sealed food products in a water bath at low temperatures for an extended amount of time. Anova Culinary wanted to boost sales of its landmark product, the Precision Cooker, not only in the U.S. but across the globe. The team first used audience insights to better understand the unique audiences in each of its target geographic markets. They experienced a 5 times return on ad spend, a 60% increase in cost per acquisition, and a 4.3 times increase in reach.